Part 43, Registration of a Partnership Firm. In this part, we are going to study about registration of a partnership firm, details included in registration form, advantages of registration of firm, partnership deed, and details included in partnership deed. We already studied that a registered partnership firm and unregistered partnership firm. We are going to discussing about registration of a partnership firm. The partnership which is registered with the Registrar of Firms under Indian Partnership Act 1932 is known as registered firm. Registration is not compulsory but desirable and advisable. Registration of partnership firm can be done according to Partnership Act 1932. Registration of firm is not compulsory, but there are certain disadvantages if registration is not done. Therefore, registration of firm is advisable. Any legal issues will happen in future, then this partnership deed is essential and partnership registration is essential to sue any complaint in the court. The state in which the firm is situated, there is a registrar of firm which is an appointed officer by the state government. For registration, necessary information are to be filled in by all the partners and the form is to be submitted to the registrar by paying fees. In front of the state registrar of partnership, one officer is there for registration of a partnership deed appointed by the state government, and a registration form is there and fill all the details along with the sign of different partners, submit with the given fees in front of the registrar to register the partnership form. Details included in registration form. First one, name and address of the firm. Second one, branches of the firm. If some partnership firm have different branches in different places, mention that branches of the firm. Third one, name, address and telephone numbers of partners. Different partners is there and their name, address and telephone number and to fill in the registration form. Fourth one, date of admission of each partner. When different partners came to joining in this partnership and when they entered into the partnership firm and date of admission of each partner. Then fifth one, the ratio of profit and loss of each partner. How much share of profit and loss of each partner is going to mention. Most of the cases, same ratio of profit and loss want to be here. Otherwise, those who invested more amount in this partnership, their profit is more. Then as per this ratio of profit and loss going to change. Sixth one, details regarding the capital of partners. How much investment they done and how much capital bring by each and every partner. Seventh one, duration of the firm. How much time this firm is going to continue. That one to mention. These seven important information one to include in the registration form at the time of registering the partnership firm. After considering above details, the registrar registers the firm and issues the certificate of registration. Advantages of registration of firm. Registration of firm is not compulsory but it is advisable. Which are the advantages of registration of a partnership firm? First one, for recovery of firm's dues, the firm can file a claim in the court of law. This partnership details and registration certificate is there, they can file a claim in the court of law. Second one, partner of the firm can file a case in court of law against other partners or firm. If any dispute between or disagreement between any partners, and partner can file a complaint in court against other partners or firm with this registration certificate of the partnership firm. Third one, a partner can demand justice from the court of law for his right and share. As per the right and share of each partner is mentioned in partnership deed and registration form. As per this, a partner can demand justice from the court of law for his right and share with the proof of partnership registration certificate. Fourth one, the retiring partner by giving notice to public can free himself from his liabilities. Be the partner of the partnership firm, he is going to live away from the partnership deed, and by giving notice to public can free himself from his liabilities. Otherwise, public will think about this person also part of that partnership firm. Fifth one, the existence of the firm becomes public through registration. Through the registration of a firm in front of the partnership registrar of different states, it helps to inform the existence of the firm, and it becomes public through registration. The existence of the firm become public through the registration in front of the public registrar. Partnership deed. Partnership deed is an agreement between the partners of a firm that outlines the terms and conditions of partnership among the partners. A partnership firm is one of the popular types of organization for starting a new business. The smooth and successful running of a partnership firm requires clear understanding among its partners regarding the various policies governing their partnership. The partnership deed serves this purpose. It specifies the various terms such as profit loss sharing, salary, interest on capital, drawings, admission of new partner, etc. in order to bring clarity to the partners. Partnership deed. Partnership is a relation originating from the partnership deed. This deed or agreement can be written form or oral. Written agreement is preferable. Now we can check about the details included in partnership deed. First one, name and address of the firm. What name is given to this partnership firm and address of the firm. Second one, name, address, age, type and a telephone number of partners. Which type of partners are, and their name, address, age, telephone number also want to mention in partnership deed. And the purpose and the type of business of the firm. Which type of business is this, and what purpose of this firm is to be mentioned in partnership deed. Date of establishment and duration of the firm. When this going to establish, and duration of partnership. Whether the duration of the partnership firm is for limited period or for a specific project. Maybe long time or short time. Details of partners' capital and the interest on capital if to be mentioned. How much capital each partners bring and how much interest on capital is going to share with the partners if to be mentioned in the partnership deed. Partners borrowings, interest on borrowings and their limits. If partner is borrowed and how much interest on borrowings and their limits, time period also mentioned in partnership. Rate of interest on loan given by partners. How much interest is given to the partners for loan. Ratio of profit loss distribution. Ratio of sharing profit and loss of firm among partners. Distribution of work among the partners. Which are the works distributed among different partners also mentioned in partnership deed. Details of salary, commission or other facility for partners. Details of the salary, commission and other facilities if any payable to partners want to mention in partnership deed. Provision for accounting and bookkeeping of partnership firm. Different details and different accounting work and details keeping, ledger keeping of partnership firm and provision for power of opening bank account and for banking transaction. For a particular firm, every partner going to open bank account is not suitable, not easy. That is why some appointed partners going to deal with this bank account and for banking transaction. The method of valuation of goodwill. Different types of valuation of assets and how to measure the various capital asset related and further development. Provision of intermediary for solution of dispute and a difference of opinion. If any disagreement, dispute between partners and partner with a firm, such a situations how the problem going to solve, that is provision of intermediary, mediator for solution of dispute and a difference of opinion. Signing authority for various documents. One or two partners or the president or secretary of that partnership, they are going to sign various documents for in favor of that partnership firm. Provisions for admission of new partners and retirement of old partner. That details also how the provision of admission of new partner and retirement policies of old partners etc. are mentioned in partnership deed. Rights and duties of partners. Each and every partners have their own function in this partnership firm, that is mentioned rights and duties of partners. Provision for admission of a minor partner. Minor partners is not allowed as per the Indian Partnership Act of 1932, but in case of death, dismissal of demise of or death of any partner, his younger heir or younger children become the partner of that firm, that is known as minor partner. For admission of a minor partner also mentioned. Provision for settlement of account at the time of dissolution of the firm. At the end of this partnership, how to distribute the various assets of the partnership firm. Provision for settlement of account at the time of dissolution of the firm. The above details can be shown in written partnership deed. Partnership deed is advisable and preferable for smooth functioning of the partnership firm. In case of absence of partnership deed, the Partnership Act comes into force automatically. Absence of partnership deed, as per the Partnership Act of 1932, going to implement for further procedures. In this part, we discussed about registration of a partnership firm, details included in registration form, advantages of registration of firm, partnership deed, details included in partnership deed, etc.